Do you want to make renders in Roblox Studio but don't know how to? I'm here to teach you the basics of it so you can create cool renders like these. Without further ado, let's start. First, you need to open up a new experience in Studio. Next, get your model from the toolbox or from the inventory if you made one. I will be using the Azure model. After that, you need to make some sort of background for your render. Make sure to get your lighting correct and the way you want it to be. I suggest using color corrections and changing the lighting settings for the best results. Remember to set your lighting style to realistic instead of soft. It makes renders more detailed. Then open up Moon Animator or the regular Roblox Studio one and pose your character the way you want it. Once you are done and happy with your pose, either lock your rig with a plugin if you are on the Roblox Animator or do Ctrl-H if you are on Moon Animator. You can also add effects, but I won't be doing it in this example. Now onto the most important step in my opinion, the FOV. It is very important for renders as it can easily make it way better. First, go to the Explorer, and inside Workspace you should find the camera object. Click on it and scroll down the Properties tab until you find the Field of View option. It is automatically set to 70, so change it to higher or lower. Higher follow V makes it more action, while lower is more cinematic. I always set it to 30 for my renders, but you can change it to something else. After that, get into your camera position and take a screenshot of your render. You can leave it as is, but you can also put it into a program like Photopea and adjust some things to upgrade your render. And this is the finished product. I hope this video helped, even if just a little bit. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.